let's make some brownies. They're fudgy and chewy and delicious. I'm cooking a half a pound of bacon, which is 8 pieces. Oh, and we're going to make some brownies. And they're going to be wonderful, as you will see. They are delicious. So I want to get all the bacon out of the pan here. You can crisp up your bacon as much as you want to. This is perfect for me, for my taste. Let's get it out of there. Then I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter to the pan and melt this butter down with the bacon grease. And the butter is pretty much melted. I cooked the bacon and melted the butter all on low heat. That way it didn't splatter on my, cooking the bacon didn't splatter as much, and I could watch it closely so that I didn't brown my bacon too much. I like my bacon kind of crispy with some fat still left on it, but you can cook yours how you like. Okay, now I'm going to melt the sugar in. Next, we need to take our 4 eggs that are room temperature, add a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, cocoa powder, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, and mix this up. Next, we'll add in our butter, sugar mixture. You can see those little bits of bacon that were left in the pan mixed in with that sugar. That way all the bacon gets in there. And you want to beat this up very well. Next, we're going to add the 1 1/4 cups of flour and just stir this in. I have the flour pretty much stirred in, almost all the way. Now I'm going to add the bacon. That's half of the bacon. I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups chocolate chips and stir this until I don't see any more flour. Pour this into your 13 by 9 pan. Then put the other half of the bacon on top, and you want to kind of push it down a little bit into the batter. This goes in my 350 degree oven. And I'm going to bake this in my oven 30 minutes. You want to bake it 25 to 30 minutes. Here they are out of the oven. The kitchen smells like chocolate and bacon. These just need to cool down. Then we can have some. Let's try a taste. You can see the bacon in there. These are really, really good, and I highly recommend them. So fudgy, dense, and delicious. Thank you so much for watching.